good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You only very long. I hate those long introductions. But it's been now 3 years that I've been coming to the island, and I've seen how the competition has gone from strength to strength. The Fijian government, of course, is very much interested in participating and indeed encouraging such competitions in Fiji. As John said, that it does help foster our country's reputation overseas. It does also promote our country overseas. We're a small country, but we believe we're a unique country. We're very unique people. Our people are our strength. We're known as the friendliest people in the world, and indeed where happiness finds you. This is why the rebranding of tours in Fiji says, Fiji where happiness finds you. And I hope that during this certain competition, find the happiness that you're looking for, not just in the waves, but also with our people. We want to continue to support this competition. I can tell ASP that they've obviously done a fantastic job. We work together with them, hopefully for many, many years to come, to ensure that not just the surfers have a wonderful time in Fiji, but you go out and become our very own ambassadors for our country. And tell them about Fiji, what a wonderful place it is, what a wonderful group of people we are, and what we can offer to the rest of the world. I was also very pleased to find out that after, I think, 6 or 7 years, we have the women's competition also, and I understand it went very well. And it's also encouraging to get the gender equality, of course, and hopefully that will continue from next year. And thank you once again for being here. ASP, of course, the new supporters with you, Samsung Galaxy, etc., that are working with you in Fiji Airways. And we'll continue to have this wonderful partnership. And I wish you all a very good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you.